Hey everyone, welcome back. You go.
मैं हूँ श्रुति, ये है जो एंड आज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ दोस पीपल जो हमने जमाने बीत चुके हैं इन अ लॉट ऑफ एस्पेक्ट्स सिंस वी हैव हर्ड दिस पर्सन, राइट जो?
Yeah, it's been 1 month or so since we heard Anjum. Can you believe it?
No, I can't.
The
I
last-
really can't.
I know the last reaction was May 1st. We reacted to his track with Eunice from the Six
Wow.
mixtape. Yes,
Wow.
and the other one is Rap Demon, who listen to this. We listened to him last. I mean, we reacted to him last in Feb 15. Darja hararat.
Can you
Let me
imagine? I
believe
love it.
this.
I like. So, enough, that means enough time is passing by that we are getting that chance to miss them, and now we're going to listen to them. So I think it should be exciting.
Yeah. So dropped on the 25th of May. This is called Agency. It's features Tala Anjum and Rap Demon, produced by Umair. Umair, the youngster Umair, I think. Young stunner with the youngster. Terrible.
Nice. Let's get to it.
Okay. Chalo. 4.5 minute song. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, like.
So I guess now what we do is on big screen like everybody here to see what it's all about. I don't be fronting and still acting with me. This is all real.
It's your boy. Yeah. Pull up on you like agency. देता असरात मनफी तुझ में डर है I can sense it. Left you bloody just immenses. Fuck around till you come to your senses. मैं future और तू past tenses. लाजवाब you do not have the answers. तुम जैसे अफगानिस्तान में Americans. एक कॉल पे डाकू मारेगा डाका. रब लैब क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका. गैंगलैंड छोटे मेरा शहर प्रॉपर. इधर दिन दिहाड़े हो जाता है चाका. वो हाथ काटे फिर भी हम खिला रहे. दूध आस्तीन के सांप को पिला रहे. Who the fuck told you I was offended? मैं तो chill और ये beats पे चिल्ला रहे. Fucking visionary बेटा मुझे visions आ रहे. मेरी कोशिश है कि कोई भी लड़का पीछे ना रहे. You a pussy तेरे ख्वाबों में चिचिड़े आ रहे. मैंने मिलियन मारे तो ये मुझे मुँह चढ़ा रहे. इनके मुंह में दे दोने वाला कोई भूखा ना रहे. गला किसी प्यासे पुसी इसका सूखा ना रहे. किसी ऐरे गैरे को कोई गलत फहमी ना रहे. ये वो कैरेक्टर हैं जो कहानी में ही ना रहे. ITUSS की टोपी उसके सर पे ना रहे. हम गहराई हैं और ये महज सिर्फ किनारे. हम गहराई हैं बेटा कोई 10 साल से. मैंने लिखे सिर्फ रियल लाइफ हाथ से. I'd say मेरे में गुरूर नहीं लेकिन आजकल ऑफ रहता मूड भी. रैप गेम का आतिफ लेट पहुंचे शूट पे. लौंडे सुने मेरे गाने करें उसकी स्क्रूटनी. आई स्क्रू अकेले तेरे हुड में. हाई नाज हैं ये सारे आएंगे ना झुंड में. मैं लड़ूं अपने आप से. कॉल दैट अ विन विन. काउंट डाउन स्टार्ट तेरा करियर के दिन गिन. मेकेनिक के रेन ऑन यू लोखंड वाला रिम जिम. मैंने खोली इनकी आंखें जैसे खुल जा सिम सिम. दे डोंट फक विद यू जैसे तुझे STD. तेरी कोई वेव नहीं है बेटा you're an MP3. Pull up on you like agency.
Sit down cause the thing gets bumpy.
देता असरात मनफी.
If a motherfucker gets too comfy.
Pull up on you like agency.
जो बचा कोई शक छोटे कम सी.
देता असरात मनफी.
Pull up on you like a Shelby. ये मथा गरम जैसे ब्लाइंडर. वो साली मांगती है फेंडी. पर मैं डेविल तो है प्राडा मेरे माइंड पर. टाइम्स अप तेरा टाइम मेरा नाउ नाउ. कम वक्त लगा तेरा काउंटडाउन. कल तक बंजर पड़ा था ये साउंड क्लाउड. आजकल ग्रैम मॉडल्स मांगती हैं शाउट आउट. डाउट वाउट इनके दिए इन्हें मोड़ के. Bow down, I'm the king of the whole shit. आऊं जाऊं round town with the dope chick. करते थे याऊं अब नहीं वो बोलते. करता रहे ground pound बजते हैं चौक पे. दम लगा ounce तभी तो we toxic. Baby तेरी toxic. Hick with a hickey. Give me a blast on that sticky icky. It's a sticky situation तो ये घबरी है. बकचो छाप real बात दबरी है. It's a joke to them hip hop बिकर आए. फेम हीरा पर वो क्लाउड पड़ी लकड़ी है. निभाया जो फर्ज हमने वो तेरा हक नहीं है. फैंस को यकीन हमें भी कोई शक नहीं है. प्यार गैसोलीन आग तो फिर लगनी है. होंगे यार पार you know ये लौंडे खतरी है. मेरा काम मारने का तूने यानी ढकनी है. लौंडे मेरे भंग वाला ग्लास तेरे यखनी है. अपने को ढंग ना लिहाज तो मुझे पड़ी में bitch I am done taking shots देना fuck नहीं है. Yeah जो वो खड़े इशारे पे मैं red light. वो रो पड़े बेचारे they got less life. हम जो चले सहारे ना थे left right. तुम सो रहे थे सारे but never mind. अब खास कुछ ना बोले आगे किसी के. बस घास फूके बॉय तेरा इजी है. I'm not here to सीखे क्या है feasible. अब जो मांगे चौड़े में वो सोची ना थी फिजिकल. जब हसल भूलें कैसे बीते कल. मैं डबल ट्रबल मुझे ना तू रीजन दे. दरअसल I'm so busy मेरा सीन देख. शॉर्ट्स लेते लौंडे जो मुझ तक पहुंचाते मीम पेज. सीन डैट लाले मेरा सीन डैट. लीन बैक छोटे शाबा लीन बैक. पेड़ो एक से खेले पूरी टीम टैग. तुझसे ज्यादा मशहूर हाई जोन का बीन बैक.
Pull up on you like agency.
Sit down cause the thing gets bumpy.
देता असरात मनफी.
If a motherfucker gets too comfy.
Pull up on you like agency.
जो बचा कोई शक छोटे कम सी.
देता असरात मनफी.
If a motherfucker tryna get funky.
तुझ में डर है I can sense it.
साड़ी बैठक च wag boys cancel.
Left you bloody जैसे menses.
Left you motherfucking anxious.
Listen, I have to say it as soon as it ends. That beat, that beat is
That's
just
sarangi
that whole.
along with the beat. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not. Oh my god! And they both killed the beat. I had goosebumps. I mean, if you drop a Peaky Blinder reference, then I'm a fan, boss. That
I knew it.
game over. It's there only.
But there were
So,
a lot of very good references. You know, I was trying to be very objective and listen, and actually, if something made me smile, I was like, acknowledge it and go, "Are," fun.
yeah.
In this, it was happening very, very often. I wouldn't say it was happening through and through. There were lines which I was like, "Ha, theek hai, okay," because you need like a good mix to create. But if every third, fourth line also is suddenly making you smile because the reference made is, either funny or witty or smart, then it's just, it makes for a really good listen. So yeah, I enjoyed it.
You'll get something something to sort of go, oh damn, like every time you listen to the song.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is definitely one of those songs. First of all, as soon as it starts, you have Anjum going, yeah, 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 in his voice, and you're like, sold, sold. Just say A B C D E F G H, उसमें ही चलेगा.
So true. It's like, chalega. Sir, aap kuch bhi bolo. Koi baat nahi.
Seriously, just read an ad in the newspaper and I'll be happy. So
I agree.
Hera, so once I'm trying to find the lyrics because we have to go
Yeah.
through. I appreciate the fact that they had the lyrics in like the captions and
Yeah.
बहुत
There were
कुछ उन्होंने
places where
Hmm,
some, certain words were used, which I find very derogatory to women. So the
yeah,
moment those words were being used, I was a little like, it threw me off from what was actually being spoken. And then I was trying to kind of
yeah.
override it in my system, saying, koi baat nahi. It's, it's part of hip hop, just like ignore it and move forward.
Hmm,
But it did throw me off course.
yeah,
And that makes a huge difference on whether next I would want to play or recommend this song or not. But
yeah.
that's just a personal opinion,
No, I'm
So,
with you on this because I mean, guys, whoever's watching, it's just I think if there's certain things that we just say, nahi ye to chalta hai hip hop mein, then that's I mean where you can sort of be a little sensitive. Why shouldn't you? Because I was like, come on, you can find better words, right?
Yeah.
You have the vocab.
You have and hilarious words, like right
Yeah.
after it, the thought that's been expressed.
Yeah.
It's so wittingly done. Wittingly,
Yeah.
wit is the right word because it wasn't funny. It was smart. It
Yeah.
was the way it was expressed. And
Exactly.
if you can do it there, you can do it here. Like
Yeah. So anyway, that being said, there's a lot of references and there's a lot of wordplay. The flow, both their flows were so good. They just rode the beat, like a surfer
yeah.
rides the wave.
Yeah.
A good surfer. That's all I have to say. That's what both of them did on this beat. It was so good. So in my future, too fast tenses. I like that. Lajawab, you do not have the answers. तुम जैसे Pakistani Americans. एक कॉल पे डाकू मारेगा डाका, रबर लैम्प क्या हुक्म मेरे आका. Gangland छोटे, मेरा शहर proper, इधर दिन दहाड़े हो जाता है चाका. What is chaka? Like that.
I
Like,
think chakka jam, when curfew lag jata hai. So I that's what I understood out of it. I could be wrong, but usually how chakka jam means curfew. So chaka means like chakka lag gaya. वैसे.
Okay. Guys, tell us because there are quite a few
Yeah,
words that are
it could
coming
be
in
wrong.
this, which are also Urdu words, which we won't know. So I'll ask
Yeah.
you. वो हाथ काटे फिर भी हम खिला रहे, दूध आस्ती के सांप को पिला रहे. वाह. Who the told you I was offended? मैं तो chill और ये beats पे चिल्ला रहे. I like that. Visionary बेटा, मुझे visions आ रहे. मेरी
I like that.
मेरी कोशिश ये कि कोई लड़का पीछे ना रहे. Nice. Okay, we're gonna skip these lines. कैसे किसी ऐरे गहरे को कोई गलत फहमी ना रहे, ये वो कैरेक्टर है जो कहानी में ही ना रहे.
Nice.
आइटिस इसकी टोपी उसके सर पहना रहे, हम गहराई हैं और ये महज सिर्फ किनारे. वाह.
वाह वाह.
हम गड़ाए हैं बेटा कोई 10 साल से, मैंने लिखे सिर्फ रियल लाइफ हाथ से, आज से मेरे में गुरूर नहीं लेकिन आजकल ऑफ रहता मूड भी, रैप गेम का आतिफ लेट पहुंचे शूट पे, विच आतिफ इज दिस? लौंडे
game.
सुने मेरे गाने. दिस इज माय फेवरेट लाइन, तेरी कोई वेव नहीं है बेटा, यू आर एन MP3.
MP3, I loved it. The moment it came, I was like, oh, so funny. Very nice, very nice.
Claps, claps. And then we have Hope. And now Rap Demon's verse, I'll just have to say that the first two lines only, the pull up on you like a Shelby and the Peaky Blinder reference, sold, loved it, and his flow. Because he went crazy with the rhymes and the beat. I can't get over this beat. I think for me it's beat and then Anjum and then Rap Demon in that order. I'm just saying if I had to.
Yeah, for
give an
me,
order.
it's actually the lyrics, then the beat, especially the musical beat, more than the, the literal. So the sarangi or the violin, whichever they used to create that sound, that, and
Yeah.
then, so I wasn't, second half, the flow got little better for me, like the kind I like. I wouldn't say better or worse, no, but both were very good. But things that stood out to me with just the lyrics were like the prime for me. And I think that for me like took this song.
I'm putting the
Rest
lyrics.
everything I found okay.
Okay. No, I'm putting the lyrics second place just for those few words that I did not like at all. Because
Those I'm ignoring,
it's
na?
kind of वो थोड़ा सा it just makes your taste a little bitter.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, no hate, but it's just a preference. And I feel like, yeah, you're right actually, because I enjoyed Rap Demon's flow
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah.
But I like both their verses were amazing. It's a hit, yeah. What
Good
if you are,
listen.
yeah, we can't say anything that everybody doesn't already know. It's a hit. It's a vibe. It's
हमें
a,
भी मजा आया, आपको भी मजा आया, हमें भी मजा आया. ऐसे और
Yeah.
मजे वाले गाने प्लीज जो को जाके बताओ Instagram पे, DM her and tell her what other such songs. I know there's like a long list because so many new releases have happened that I think अभी backlog बहुत लंबा होगा. तो अगर आज
Yeah.
कुछ request कर रहे हो, don't expect कि immediately response आ जाएगा. नहीं बहुत इतने सारे नए गाने आए हैं, थोड़ा थांबा, थोड़ा सा.
So, chalo, on that positive note, I
Bye.
think. Take
Yeah.
care and see you soon. Live long and prosper.